Sir, today I feel a little better. Yesterday, I practiced speaking in front of the mirror, but still, when I speak English with my friends, I make many mistakes. They don't laugh now, but I feel shy.
That is good progress. You practiced, and that is the best way to learn. Making mistakes is a part of learning. You should be proud that you are trying. Tell me, what did you practice yesterday?
I said my daily routine again and again. I said, I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I go to school. But sometimes I forget the verbs.
That's okay. You are learning verbs slowly. Today, we will talk more about the simple present tense and verbs. The simple present tense means we talk about what we do every day. It is like a habit. You say, I go, I eat, I work. We use the base form of the verb. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. We use the first form, right?
Very good. We use the first form of the verb with I, you, we, and they. But when we use he, she, or it, we add s or es. For example, I say, I go to school, but we say, she goes to school.
Oh, yes, I know that, but I forget to add s.
Many learners forget that. But don't worry, you can fix it by practicing small sentences every day. Let's try. Say after me. I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
Good. Now change I to she.
She eat breakfast.
Listen carefully. You should say she eats breakfast.
She eats breakfast.
Perfect. One more. I play football.
I play football.
Now change it to he.
He plays football.
Excellent. You are getting it right. Let's do some more practice. They study English.
They study English.
Now change it to she.
She studies English.
That's correct. You see, when the verb ends with y, we change y to ies. Like study becomes studies.
Yes, sir. It is easy when you explain it.
Good. Let's continue with some daily routine practice using both I and she. I will say one sentence and you repeat both versions. I get up at 7 o'clock.
I get up at 7 o'clock. She gets up at 7 o'clock.
Nice. Now, I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth. She brushes her teeth.
Excellent. I go to school.
I go to school. She goes to school.
Wonderful. You are speaking very clearly.
Thank you, sir. I think this practice helps me remember the rules.
Yes, that is how your brain learns, through repeating and listening. Now, let's talk a little about other daily actions. What do you do in the morning before school?
I help my mother. Sometimes I make tea.
Very good. What about your father? What does he do in the morning?
He reads the newspaper. He drinks tea.
Excellent. You are using does correctly. Now remember, with he and she, we also use does for questions. For example, does he read the newspaper? And the answer is, yes, he does. Try saying it.
Does he read the newspaper? Yes, he does.
Great job. Now, let's make some more examples. Does she go to school?
Yes, she does.
Does he play football?
No, he doesn't.
Very nice. When we say no, we use doesn't. That means does not.
Yes, sir. I understand now.
Perfect. Let's make a small story about a day using the simple present tense. Listen first. I get up at 7. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. I go to school. I study English. I play with my friends. I come home at 1 o'clock. I eat lunch. I rest. I do my homework. I watch TV. I go to bed at 10. Now you try.
I get up at 7. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. I go to school. I study English. I play with my friends. I come home at 1 o'clock. I eat lunch. I rest. I do my homework. I watch TV. I go to bed at 10.
Wonderful. That was clear and correct. You are improving fast.
I am happy. Before, I could not say so many sentences. Now it is easy.
That is because you are practicing every day. The more you speak, the better you become. Now, let's use some question and answer practice with your routine. What time do you get up?
I get up at 7 o'clock.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs.
When do you go to school?
I go to school at 8.
When do you come home?
I come home at 1 o'clock.
What do you do in the evening?
I do my homework. I help my mother. I watch TV.
Very good. This is how you build small English conversations. These questions and answers help you talk to anyone.
Yes, sir. I can use them to talk with my friends, too.
Exactly. You can ask your friends, what time do you get up? What do you eat for breakfast? And they can answer. This is good practice.
I will try that.
Good. Now, let's add a few new daily actions. Say after me. I walk to school.
I walk to school.
I talk to my teacher.
I talk to my teacher.
I read a book.
I read a book.
I write in my notebook.
I write in my notebook.
I listen to music.
I listen to music.
I play with my little brother.
I play with my little brother.
Very good. All these are simple present tense sentences. They are about things we do every day.
Yes, sir. I understand the simple present tense now.
That's great. Remember one thing. Practice makes you confident. Speak these sentences every day when you wake up. Say, I wake up. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. You can even say them while doing the action.
I can say, I eat breakfast when I eat.
Exactly. That helps your brain connect the word with the action. This is a powerful way to learn English.
I like that idea. I will speak English while doing my work.
That's excellent. You can also listen to English songs or short stories and repeat the sentences. This will help you improve pronunciation too.
Sir, sometimes I feel I speak slowly. Is that okay?
Yes, it is okay. Speaking slowly is good for learning. You will become faster with time. Focus on being clear, not fast.
Yes, sir. I will do that.
Good. Keep using simple sentences. You can say, I walk, I read, I write, I play, I help. These are strong and easy. You don't need long or difficult words now.
Yes, sir. Short sentences help me feel more confident.
That is true. Confidence is more important than speed. You are learning step by step, and you are doing great.
Thank you, sir. I will keep practicing the simple present tense.
That's very good. When you use English every day, it becomes natural. You don't need to think about grammar. You will just speak it.
I will try my best.
I know you will. You are improving every day because you practice, and that is the secret of learning English.